Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005 to 2013. This one will be E90, E91, 92 and 93, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace front right. This will be the front passenger side door panel. So stay with us guys, we'll do that today. All the tools and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos taking this whole car apart, anything from engine work, interior work, so if you need help with anything, please subscribe, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for you. So, let's start on it now. So now, we need a plastic panel removal tool. There is a few clips holding that trim piece. Okay, we just need to start prying them out. Be careful not to break anything. Take your time. It slides towards the back. You can see the last clip is like that. Now, you have to make sure that there is no clips left on those guides here, because those clips sometimes will come out and you need to make sure that they're situated here so you can install it later. After that, we need to remove a few screws, and those will be with Torx. Before we remove the screws, we need to remove this cover as well. This cover holds only on a few clips. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips that you have. And we have a few hidden bolts there as well. We're going to need a Torx. Okay, let me get it quick to show you. Torx 20. Okay, this started looking a bit like that. Okay, one is out. Second one. Perfect. Now we have, this is the third one that we're removing. Fourth will be right there. Also guys, please subscribe. Quite a few videos will be uploaded on this car, and again, if you need anything, just drop a comment. We'll try to make that video for you. It might take a little bit of time, but we'll do our best. Okay, this one got a little bit stuck. Perfect. Now, we need to get a panel removal tool. Okay, a little bit fatter one. And we need to start popping the clips open. Okay, usually on one side you might have a little bit more of a gap so you can reach easier. The panel will come this way. Okay, it will come out this way. Do not lift it up, because you have like 5-6 clips probably up there. Okay, so we start doing that. Now, here we have to pull this way. Okay, still holding a little bit. Okay, perfect, came out. You have to make sure that the lock rod is there later. And now we need to disconnect all the wires, okay, and all the cables. So now we need to disconnect the door cable. That's the one for the interior door handle. You just pry on this side up a little bit and it will come out. That clip needs to come loose. After that we need to disconnect the wires for the speakers. Pull those out. And lastly we have to disconnect the window switch wire. Okay, there is one tooth right here that we need to pry just a little bit. Okay. The easiest way is actually to pull it out. Okay, let me get the tooth in. Okay, now we can pull it out. You just need to get the tooth out. And we have one more wire for the door light underneath. Okay, and the panel is out of the way. Let us show you where all the clips are now. So let's flip it on this side now. You have 1, 2, here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips here. And on top you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. All those clips will need to be, okay, those clips, the plastic ones, will need to be installed on the door panel in order to install it later. Otherwise it will not work. So those are replaceable as well. If yours are broken, you can replace them. So that's how you guys remove the front right door panel. Front left will be a very close procedure with some minor differences. You can find it on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, many more videos to come, and see you guys next time.